So this is you sitting right in front of your TV, and your 3 years old went bang. You just broke the TV. What will you do? This toy of theirs is going to the garbage. Like, I'm throwing it somewhere that they're not going to find it. And every other stuff that has a weight in my house is going off now, from now on. Because no more breakage. No more breakage. Mommy is not going to recover from this until next year. We were right in the living room. He was watching. And then, bang, bang. He broke the TV. Prior to that, he broke my computer. Yes, my touchscreen computer. That was devastating, heartbroken. So, what do I do? Now that these are so essential, the TV, I have to get it. The computer, I needed it. So, I have to fix this. Last year, I got a couple of things, and the pandemic never let me use them. Like this bag. It's never been, maybe one time. And like this one, I've never used it. And this one. And this. How about this? See? So let's up onto the computer and do some Black Friday deals. Remember, Black Friday, it's been going on, and then but some items are gonna go up more on Cyber Monday. So am I gonna wait and then don't have a computer to work with and then no TV? Let's go into my Amazon and my Best Buy cards and let's see. Well, let's compare which one has the most savings. But hey, like I said, Black Friday it started already, and then it's more, maybe more on Friday. I'm gonna get more on Friday, but Cyber Monday is what I am aiming for. Maybe I can get a best deal on that day. But I am going to show you what I have in my cart and what I will be getting either on Amazon or Best Buy. Yeah, I'm looking to something else. The ones I could not get during the Prime Day. Okay, yeah, during the Prime Day, I couldn't get some. So I am actually still looking on Black Friday. Maybe I could get some savings on some gadgets also. So all of that and so much more. Yes, let's get into today's video. So this is what I'm going to be looking at. I'm looking at comparing the price, and I'm looking at the best savings, and I'm looking at the one that's going to come earlier. So I noticed that Best Buy has a slash price on Samsung. If you go to Samsung website, you actually see that Best Buy also have the same deal with Samsung. And for somebody who has a Best Buy card, I'll go for Best Buy. Then let's do the computer. I love the Lenovo into the laptop itself, not the desktop, because the desktop, I don't want to gamble it and buy the desktop and then they break it again. But because my MacBook is, I also have a MacBook, yeah, but I'm not going for MacBook this year. I'm done with Mac. I only used Mac while I was in school. But now, let's look into the Best Buy and then the Amazon. So I'm quite not sure which one I'm going to go for, but as an Amazon shopper, I'm not sure I want to get anything like that on my Amazon. No, I'm not. I'd rather go to Best Buy because, you know, I have like a year warranty on both. I'm going to get my year warranty, and then I'm also going to have a Greek secure, like Greek assurance on it, like insure it with Greek, so that I can do. But with Amazon, you know, I'm always buying this protection and never use it. So now I am putting my laptop in my cart, in my Best Buy cart, and in my Amazon cart. I'm going to compare. Look, this is money we're talking about. So I have to compare. I have to save money, more money this time. And maybe I can get an extra coin to get my own stuff, like this bag that I'm looking at. I want to get one of this bag for traveling. Yeah, it's not the designer one, let's be realistic. It's the knockoff. Yeah, the designer one is going to be like off the chain, but I'm getting the knockoff. I mean, it's as good as, it's almost the same. I mean, only if I tell somebody that this is the knockoff. So I'm getting the knockoff. So for that one and other knockoff. So if I get an extra savings from this TV and the laptop, maybe I can get the knockoff. So another thing that I'm looking at on Amazon is this robot vacuum. I was looking at it during the Prime Day, but the price didn't drop as I wanted. But this time I think it drops a lot. I heard that it's like $99 now from 200 and something. Maybe because sometimes I use the Dyson vacuum. Sometimes I just feel tired. I mean, under the bed, just to vacuum under the bed is always, I mean, I don't know how the dirt gets under the bed. So I need that vacuum, the robot vacuum. I need that in my life. And then the Dyson itself, if you're looking into the Dyson vacuum, yes, the Dyson, it has a huge savings. You better check it out if you're looking for Best Buy. Has a huge saving on that. I don't know about Amazon, but I can look it out, or you can look it out. So yes, that is huge saving, and it's a good quality vacuum. I know that because I use it. Yes, I use it. So that is that for the vacuum. So another thing that I'm looking into is also the what's it called? For a friend, a PS5. I'm not a gamer, but I'm going to be looking into that. Let's look what that is. So the PS5, I don't know what range, but as I am now a personal shopper for family and friends who are abroad. Yeah, so these are all I'm getting for now. The vacuum, the TV, the laptop, and then some PS, whatever for friends, and some other stuff for family. And I'm also getting, like the toothbrush. I got one for myself, and I'm also thinking of getting for my sister the electronic toothbrush, the Oral-B. If you're looking into that too, I believe there should be a sales on that. I'm not sure, but I'm going to look it up. If it's there, I'm going to put it up here. You're going to see if there's a sales on that. And if there's no sales on that, I'll still have to get it. So yeah, those are the things I'm looking into getting. And if you're still wanting to save, you better get into it now, because after Black Friday, Cyber Monday comes, and still Cyber Monday, maybe that day, that Monday, all through, even till the next day, you can still get something. But just make sure you compare the deals. These deals, you have to compare. So that is it for today's video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy this kind of content, please subscribe to my channel, click that notification, and give this video a like, because that's going to help me up my channel. So I will see you on my next upload. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.